Singur, a nondescript dusty village about 50 km from Kolkata, was once at the cusp of becoming famous as India's automobile manufacturing hub. But it is now known for a very different reason, for a movement that allegedly drove Tatas away from the state and for turning around the fortunes of TMC leader Mamata Banerjee. After coming to power in West Bengal, Banerjee claimed that she didn't drive the Tatas out, but it was the CPIM. She claimed that it was the then left government who had acquired land forcibly and she had just returned it to unwilling owners. Fresh from a thumping victory in West Bengal polls, the then Chief Minister Buddhadev Bhattacharjee announced in 2006 that Tatas would be given almost 1,000 acres to set up a plant to manufacture the Nano in Singur village of Hooghly district. But some locals opposed the move. Within a few months, several groups were formed to oppose the land acquisition, which included Krishi Jami Raksha Committee. Later, several opposition leaders led by Mamata Banerjee too joined the movement. In 2007, Mamata sat on a 26-day hunger strike, which later gained support of several environmental activists. In January 2008, Tata Motors announced that they would launch the Nano at the New Delhi Auto Expo. The Calcutta High Court too upheld the land allocation to the company. But the protests continued. Attempts by then State Governor Gopala Krishna Gandhi to establish truce between Mamata and the government did not succeed. Following this, on 3rd October 2008, Tata Motors decided to pull the production of the Nano out of West Bengal. The company chose a plant in Sanand, Gujarat. Much later, in 2016, the Supreme Court termed the 2006 land acquisition illegal and void. Questions were later raised that the ruling party had forcibly acquired the 997 acres of multi-crop land for the car factory under the Colonial Land Acquisition Act of 1894. Under the law, the state could take over privately held land for public purposes, but not for developing private businesses. And now a 3-member arbitral tribunal has awarded a compensation of 765.68 crore rupees to Tata Motors for losses incurred after the company had to stall its car project at Singur and relocate its plant to Gujarat's Sanand in 2008.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.
He's moving from employee to employer. Business Standard.